Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've never heard of me, my name is Pat and I am the owner of helpfulonlinemarketer.com, where I help you to build a profitable blog or online business with actionable tips and strategies. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Sales Samurai to find the best Etsy tags for your specific items. And a quick disclaimer, I am an affiliate for Sales Samurai, but all opinions expressed are 100% my own. And if you stay all the way to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get 20% off of Sales Samurai. And I'm going to include the links in the description below, as well as every other important information you need to know about what I'm talking about in the video. Now, first, you're going to go to salessamurai.io, and then once you're there, you're going to sign up and make an account, and then you are going to click on the search icon right here, and when you do, you'll be taken to this screen, and this is where you will enter in Etsy tags, Etsy keyword ideas, Etsy tag ideas. And the reason why I recommend Sales Samurai is because you need data in order to find out what Etsy tags you should be using. Now, the mistake a lot of people make, and I've seen even supposed experts recommend this, to just, use Google Keyword Planner or Google Search and get keyword ideas for your Etsy shop, get ideas for your Etsy tags and just pop them into your Etsy listing. I don't recommend doing that at all for a number of reasons. Because like I said, you need data to find out whether that is a good Etsy tag or not. Not all Etsy tags are created equal. Not all keyword ideas for your Etsy shop are created equal. Now, Sales Samurai shows you very specific data about every Etsy tag you enter in to the platform, because you need to know what the search volume is for the keyword for the Etsy tag, and you need to see your competition. You need to see how many people are using that very Etsy tag for that item in your niche, in your industry. You can't just blindly enter in whatever Etsy tag or keyword ideas pop into your head, or whatever ones you find online. You can use Pinterest or Google Keyword Planner to get keyword ideas. But what I do is I take those ideas, because that's what they are, I enter them in here to get this data. Now, I've already went ahead and did a search for Etsy tags using Sales Samurai. For example, I entered in wedding invitations. So, for example, this Etsy tag idea is burgundy wedding invitation. Now, this is a good Etsy tag to use if you sell wedding invitations, because it has a good search volume. 468 is a pretty decent search volume. And the competition is not very high. Now, that's what you want. You want to use an Etsy tag with a good search volume and low competition. And since this has both, you would use, if you do sell burgundy wedding invitations, this is a good Etsy tag to use in your listing. But don't use Etsy tags that are not related to your item, that don't describe your item at all. Don't do that. So, like I said, that's what you want. You don't want to use an Etsy tag with a high competition and low search volume, or just high competition general. Let me give you an example to show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to enter in wedding invitations, that generic search term. And when I enter in wedding invitations, I'm going to show you what I mean. And also too, just to throw out there, Sales Samurai does give you Etsy tag ideas for what your item is specifically. Like at the bottom right here, you see all sorts of ideas. They call them keywords in Sales Samurai, but they're Etsy tags. So you will get Etsy tag ideas that you can use for your Etsy shop, for your listing, and it even gives you the search volume. So you can do that too. Now, okay, wedding invitations, this is not a good Etsy tag to use because, see, look at the red exclamation mark right there is a very good indicator that it's not. Their search volume is high, so that's good. And in Sales Samurai, I like that they will have a green, they'll have a check mark or exclamation point to show you what's good and what's bad. This green check mark that you see right here shows that it's a good, has a good, very high, good search volume. So that's good. But this red exclamation mark shows you that the competition is too high and that it's not good, that it's bad. So you want a search term that's good search volume, green check mark or smiley face, or yellow check mark, or even right here, competition, yellow check mark or green check mark. Green check mark across the board is that you would ideally want to, you know, have one where it's green check mark right here, green check mark right here, and a green check mark right there. Or green check mark right here, a smiley face right here, or green or yellow right here. So this, you know, the search volume, not search volume, but the competition is too high. So I don't recommend it if you are a beginner, you're just starting out, don't have a lot of items in your shop, or your shop is still small. I don't recommend it. The only ones who can rank for these type of keywords are the shops that have like thousands of sales, hundreds of reviews, been on Etsy for a while. Those are the ones that can rank for keywords like this. Everybody else cannot. But like I said, Sales Samurai will show you at the bottom additional keyword ideas, like this one, online wedding invitation. So we'll enter that in. Online wedding invitation. And also, when you do find keywords that you like, you can click on the hearts and favorite them and click on your favorites, and they'll all be there saved just for you. You can even create listings, not listings, but lists of keywords for your Etsy shop and for your Etsy listings, so you don't have to go back and search for them over and over and over. So that's really cool. Okay, online wedding invitation. Now, the search volume for this is pretty good, I think, in my opinion. It's not 0, it's not 20. It's decent. And the competition is low. Green check mark. So, see, when it says, when it shows like a red check mark right here, it means that it's a long tail. This one's not exactly a long tail keyword. But even though it's not a long tail keyword, it's still a good keyword to use because the search volume is good and the competition is low. So if you sell wedding invitations, you know, this would be a good, you know, keyword for you to use. And also, this is also a great way to find out what you should sell in your Etsy shop and what not to sell. Because you want to sell items that people are actually searching for, that people are going to actually buy. So if you are struggling to figure out what should I make in my Etsy shop, what should I make? I don't want to make something that people aren't going to buy, especially if you sell physical items that you actually ship out to people. You want to do this first so you can see what you should make and sell and what you shouldn't. You know, so this is another great way, like I said, to find out what you should sell in your Etsy shop. This is what I do. I will go in here and I will search, you know, what people are searching for when it comes to printables, so I can see what printables to make and which ones not to make. If not enough people are searching for that type of printable, I don't sell it because that means it's not going to sell. You know. Okay, so now if you found your Etsy tags and you want to find at least 13 Etsy tags with a good search volume, good competition, you know, low competition. Once you find all 13, you're going to go to Etsy. And I'm going to show you really quick where to put those tags. Now, once you've, you know, opened your listing, you're going to put your tags in the title, in the description, and at the very bottom where there's a specific section for a tag. See right here. You're going to put your Etsy tags right here in the title. And the keyword or Etsy tag that you want to rank for first, you're going to put that Etsy tag at the very front of the title. And that very tag that you want to rank for, you're going to put it in the description. And in the first, I would say in the first 3 to 4 sentences of your description, you're going to want to pop that keyword, that Etsy tag that you want to rank for in there, as well as you can put other Etsy tags that you want to rank for in those first 3 to 4 sentences as well, and also spreading those Etsy tags naturally throughout your Etsy listing description. And right here, you definitely want to use all 13 tags, right here. And that's pretty much it as far as where to put your Etsy tags. It's pretty simple. Like once you get the hang of it, it's going to be really simple to do. The only hard part is finding 13 tags with low competition, good search volume, because half the time that's not going to happen. Half the time you're not going to find 13 tags that are low competition, good search volume. You know, sometimes you're going to be lucky if you find like 3 or 5, you know. So when that happens, you know, it's okay to use an Etsy tag with a good search volume but high competition, but you want to add that tag, those types of tags at the very end of, not the very end, but you want to add them last in the tag section, and you want to put them last in your title. You know, so basically the ones that you can rank for, put them first in a title. The ones that you can't rank for, put them at the end of the title. And it's the same thing for the tags right here. The ones you can rank for, put them in first right here. And then the ones you can't, put them at the end. And also, before I end the video, I'm also going to show you how you can use Etsy itself to get Etsy tag ideas that you could pop into Sales Samurai. And this is also a good feature from Sales Samurai too. If you download if you download the Sales Samurai Chrome extension, and if you have a Sales Samurai account, when you enter in search phrases into Etsy, Sales Samurai is going to show you right from within the Etsy search bar what the search volume is for those words and phrases on Etsy, which is, like I said, really good, because the struggle is finding good Etsy tags for your shop. That's the biggest struggle you're going to find when you do this. That's what takes the longest. Whenever I list something on Etsy, that's what takes me the longest, is finding those tags. Now see right here, when you have the Sales Samurai Chrome extension, it shows you right here in the blue what the search volume is for all of these Etsy tags. See right here, this one, wedding invitation set template, 575 search volume, which is really good. And it shows 356 listings or more for this. So, if you want to enter this into Sales Samurai and save it or get more information, you could take it and pop it into Sales Samurai and save it, add it to your list, favorite it, or get more data on it. You can do that. But I think this feature is really cool. I have never seen any other Etsy keyword tag tool do this. Sales Samurai is the only one I know that does this, and I think this is awesome, and it's really going to help you get ranked on Etsy, get those sales, because that's half the battle right there. And yes, it is possible to get sales from Etsy itself, from Etsy shoppers itself, without having to do much social media promotion. It's possible, because half my sales have come from within Etsy itself. So, and that is it. That is all I have for you guys today. Oh, and one more thing. Like I said, if you want to get 20% off of Sales Samurai, use promo code Helpful Online Marketer, and you'll get, like I said, 20% off. And I'll also put the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.